Hello, good morning everyone. I'm your instructor, Andrew Marhoff, and today we'll look at some of the basics of Excel. This is Excel 101. Okay, so if we take a look here, we can see what are called columns, okay, and the columns go across this way, and if we click on the letter at the top, we'll see the columns, and they go for quite a distance along this way, and we're not going to look at all the columns, but it goes much longer than the whole alphabet. Okay, and then if we look here, we can see the rows, okay, and the rows go in this direction, okay, and the rows and the columns intersect. Now, when we have a row and a column intersecting at one point here, this is called a cell, okay, and this is where we put our information. And when we look at the cell, we can see we have capital letter B, and then we have the number 6, and this particular cell will be called B6, okay? It's quite similar to the Battleship game we used to play as kids. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to put our information in here, and we'll have certain mathematical equations and functions for calculating data, but it's really quite simple. Now today's lesson will be very simple. It will be just doing a monthly budget. So what we'll do is here we'll start off with maybe money, okay, in the account. Now when we take a look here, obviously this is too long, and what we want to do is we want to come up to here. So we come up to here and we stretch this out so it actually includes all this. Okay, money in the account. So money in the account, let's say we're going to start it off with $40,000 in the account. And let's say our rent is $800. So at this point we're going to have to put minus 800, because we're actually losing the money. Now instead of just doing regular minus $800, let's say there's something we do 3 or 4 times a week. So let's say we go shopping 4 times a week, and we go for groceries, and we spend $40 a week on groceries. Okay, so we're going to come in here and we're going to go groceries, and what we'll do, we'll come into here and we'll hit the equal sign, and then we'll hit $40, and then we'll hit the asterisk sign, and we're going shopping 4 times, so that's going to multiply that, and we hit enter and move on, and then we get the answer here, okay, which is quite good. Okay, so then we have electricity, and let's say electricity, so once again, sorry, that groceries, that should have been minus 40, so we'll correct that there. So that will be minus 40, okay, we'll bring that down there. Sorry, it should be come out of there. Something's going on here. I'm not sure how this has happened. Take that out of there. Okay, then we have minus $160. And let's say we have electricity is minus $80. And let's say I get my paycheck bi-weekly, okay? So I've got pay. Okay, so I've got pay. And then I get paid $2,000 every 2 weeks. So that will be equals, okay, and then that will be 2,000, and that will be times 2. Sorry, and that will come out to 4,000. And now I want to get a new balance. So right here I'm going to type new balance. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put equals, and I'm going to use the sum function. Which is right here, sum. And it's going to be the sum of, and I go on each of these, sum of C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6. And then what I do, I put a final bracket on the end and I enter. Sorry. I don't need that last one on the end there. Let's see what happens. And there we do. There we go. We've got the final new balance. And this is how we do a budget. If we want to, we can put the dates over here. There's a date function which we'll get into the next time. For now, this is lesson number 1 on how to make a very simple budget using Excel 5.